Fast forward to cropping of a sweatshirt. I do like this sweatshirt. Don't want to cut it too short. I want to make this sort of different because I'm going to, oh, I hope I'm not cutting my rug. Oh my god. I almost just freaked out. What I'm gonna do is take this bottom band off and attach it to this top part. I'm just going to, oh, that did not come out very good over there. Wow. But yeah, so instead of it just being like a basic raw hemline, I'm going to make it like an actual cropped shirt. Basically gonna seam rip this entire thing off and re-sew it back on to the other piece. I thought because it had such an intense like sewing that it would be really hard to detach, but it's not too bad. Basically just experimenting here and trying to do something a little less basic than just cropping it so it has a raw hem. Just shortening it and moving this nice little sweatshirt bottom back up. Oh, this reminds me, I mean I could hand sew this, but that reminds me I need to fix the needle on my sewing machine now. Okay, so this friggin' string is super annoying and keeps like bunching all up when I try to pull it out. So instead of tediously sitting here for 2 hours trying to pick off all this friggin' excess string, I'm just gonna cut it. I'm just gonna give it a little trim. It will be a tiny bit shorter, but that will not be an issue because I'm also gonna cut this a little bit smaller so that this will have a more fitted silhouette so that it will look more like this. Take the sweatshirt in a tiny bit, more like that. So basically this just has one seam on it. We don't really need that. I'm just going to cut that part off. And I'm gonna leave a couple inches on this side in order to sew it back together. Like this. So now, so this is a really wide sweatshirt. So what I'm gonna do is just turn it inside out, make a couple of darts here, like this. And then I'm gonna flip it back right side out, pin this along the edge like this, and then hopefully it'll just come out like that. Basically, I'm gonna go right into the armpit. And pinned this whole bottom half back on. Okay, so here's the sweatshirt. I actually really like how this one came out. This is a good thrift flip. I took in the sides a bit so that it would fit a little better. Just moved the waistband up, and I've been wearing it ever since because I really like how it came out. It came out super good.